Well, today is cut day. We're going to cut this thing apart, and where they welded it together, I'm going to take it all back off. We got about 1.5 inch gap down here from the end of the trunk lid. So this whole thing's got to come up. So we're going to, whatever they welded in, I'm taking out. We're going to start over from there. So, come along for the ride. It's going to be a fun time. Well, we get to cut.
Don't go in the woods. These days everybody's happy, we're all misunderstood. Did you ever really think you could wear those running shoes? Marching far away, you just headed straight for the news. I'm finding gold in the ashes and the bones. I'm moving forward while you're counting like a goose. Your dance, I wore your silly strings. You couldn't help yourself but look on over me. I wandered in the woods and found myself alive. Well, I slipped into new wings and dusted them away. Oh yeah. Turn back now, you could never have it your way. By now you probably figured out I don't really want to ride this train. I'm alive again, still breathing, you can't take that away. On my own 2 feet I'm standing, I don't need you, baby. I'm finding gold in the ashes and the bones. I'm moving forward while you're counting like a goose. I did your dance, I wore your silly strings. You couldn't help yourself but look on over me. I wandered in the woods and found myself alive. Well, I slipped into new wings and dusted that away. Oh yeah.
Every sexually reproducing multicellular organism in blood
Alright, first order of business after we cut the back end off was to get the trunk so it sits level with the sides here. It was humped way out. And what was happening, this here was out here too far. So I cut 3/8 of an inch, moved it in. Somebody'd been at it and welded it in before. So I just cut it back off, moved it back in 3/8 of an inch, Trunk shuts good now. Latch is good. This floor come back up. It was dipped down when I cut the back off. That popped right back up. So we're in good shape now. Things are starting to come together. I built a little prop rod here to hold this corner out. This corner was hit. That's why this is all different color. Somebody welded that in. So we may have to take it out. I'm not sure yet. I check some dimensions and see. But we got this back out. The gap here was real tight, and it wasn't over there. So we moved it out and brought it out where it belongs. It can still go a little bit more, maybe. We'll see. It's still got some movement in it. Not much, but some. Got enough. But all right, now we're gonna go over to the bench. I'll show you what I cut of hell. Cut all the pieces. I don't know where the bag came from. Thought I left her home. Anyways, there's the back. So what I'm gonna have to do now, get it around here. Right down in there where it was all welded together. I gotta unweld it. I'm gonna have to shorten here and here and shorten here, but I'm gonna cut it off right here. See what we come up with right down through here. Start over. Alright, a little update here. We're a little closer than what we were before, at least now. This lines up pretty good. Give you a side shot of it here. It lines up pretty goddamn good, I'd say. The top is still out. Somebody replaced the inner skin on this, the bracing on the inside, and I think they got it wrong on that corner, because the other corner is good. So, we'll get back on it. Thanks for watching. He went and got a whole bunch of stuff, I should say. Yeah, I got to show you these. That says 15 miles, 15.3 miles. I don't think that's right. We got that one there. Original gauges, but they're in nice shape. They're going to get refurbished and put back in. I just thought they were cool. Alright. This here's the piece that come off in it. How you slice it, it's not gonna fit. Touches on the corners, big gap down here. So I'm gonna have to cut it to make it fit. Probably gonna have to cut some pie cuts. Cut a slice in here, one in the center, one on the other end. Try to form it. The sheet doesn't seem to come close. Now it's like, yeah, we're definitely going to have to do something different than that. Alright. Back over to the bench. Heat and beat and bend to fit, I guess. We'll give it a shot anyways. I know that rear pan's for a Chrysler product of some sort. I just don't know what. This piece here. Let's see if I got you focused on it. Nope. supposed to be near about like that. Or this here is just the bottom of this. So that was down here before. We are ready back up to about here, which is no problem. Make a nice straight cut here and a nice straight cut here. Bring it back into where it belongs. We'll roll that back in. But first, we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with that center section. All right, I'll get back to you, I hope.